everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. And yes, you read it right. It is one crazy hot, like insanely hot sale at Kroger. 3-day only sale. This doesn't start till tomorrow, October 18th, and it runs through October 20th. But I just want to give you guys a heads up on it. If you do the clipless method, so you can get your coupons ready and just all sorts of stuff. This one is legit amazing. At first, I didn't think it was that good, but the more I started going through and doing matchups, the more deals that I just saw. And yeah, it's awesome. There's the cheapest Halloween candy you're going to see all year. So that'll be at the end of the video in case you don't want candy, but I'm just going to go through all of it. So first up, I do want to say, if you haven't seen my other videos, there are 3 videos up about this current Kroger sale. It's a mega event. Go check that out if you haven't already, because it's a good sale. And then also, I know I'll get somebody who comments saying you can't use a paper coupon with this. Per my conversation with corporate, yes, you can, but only with a store coupon. So here's the scoop on that. Most digital coupons ring up as an MC, a manufacturer's coupon. That means you can't use any additional paper coupons with it because you can't use 2 manufacturer coupons per item. However, if you pay attention to the screen, these coupons deduct off as an SC because they are simply just a sale from Kroger. An SC is literally what comes off of a mega event. Like, it's what it looks like with a mega event. It's what it looks like with a just a regular sale. So it's the same thing. Kroger just does it as a digital coupon. So you can't use any old digital coupon in a paper coupon. That's not allowed. But if it rings up as an SC, you absolutely can. And this is confirmed by Kroger Corporate during a conversation I had with them. And I even showed my email with this person in the video. So there's no lies or anything mysterious. If you want to go see it, it's in the description box below called Let's Chat About 5X Digital Coupons. Yeah, I'm not going to fight about it. I just tell you what I was told from them, and if that doesn't work out for you, I'm sorry, but that's what corporate told me, so that's what I go by. So whatever. Right, Red Baron Pizzas, $1.99 with the 5X digital coupon. That's a really great deal right there. For some pizza, those are regularly $3.50, I think, so that's a really good price. Got some kettle chips, 99 cents with a digital coupon. That's crazy. Like, that's cheap for chips. Really great. This is the only bad deal in the ad, in my opinion. I'm not excited about this. The Listerine mouthwash is $2.99 with a digital coupon. There's $1 off printable, which I'll have in the description box below, making it $1.99. Okay. Mott's fruit snacks are $1.99 with the digital coupon. And again, these are 5X digitals. You can use them up to 5 times in a single transaction, but remember, once you use them, they're gone. So $1.99. There is a 50 cents on 2 paper manufacturer's coupon for the 1013 Smart Source. So it's $1.74 for a 40-pack of gummies. That is craziness. And then my grandma goes to Sam's Club and buys these for the 100-pack, and I guarantee she pays way more than this. So that's insane right there. Insanity. Here's another insane deal on the Schick razors. I know if you're a drugstore couponer, you can get razors all the time for super cheap. But if you're not really a drugstore couponer, which really I'm not too much, a deal like this is not totally bad. I'm not going to do it because I have plenty of razors right now, but if I needed them, this would be a great deal. So they're $3.99 with that digital coupon. There's a $3 paper coupon you guys can use from the 1013 Smart Source. So you'd legit get these for 19 cents. Or 99. I wish it was 19 cents. 99 cents. 99 cents. Literally 99 cents. That's awesome. Really great. Okay, we also have the Jimmy Dean sausage for $1.99 with that 5X digital. That's pretty good. And then this, I've never had a pudding cake. Is it a cake filled with pudding? I have no idea what a pudding cake is, but it's $4.49 with a digital coupon. It is regularly $7.99, so that's pretty good savings, honestly. It is candy time, which is my favorite deal in the ad. And now first up, this works on Halloween candy or home merchandise. So I haven't looked up Halloween on their site. It works on like arts and crafts supplies and like decor, all that stuff. So, and it's off of the sale price. It's not off of the regular price. You're getting 50% off of whatever the price is at Kroger right now, which is insane. So first I'm going to tell you guys, do not go into Kroger tomorrow and load up on those ginormous dinosaur-sized bags. No. That's not how we coupon. For years, because our church does a trunk or treat thing. We had to buy candy for, and we would look at these big bags, and we just thought we were saving so much money. But I heard someone on YouTube, a couponer, be like, buying these bigger bags does not equal more savings when you start using coupons and paying attention to all that. And so that's what happened here. You know, these are going to be $0.25 each for these fun size bags. So let's say you need to get 200 pieces and they have 20 in them each. You know, that's $2 for 200 pieces. If you're going to get 110 pack of the candy, that literally is $4 or $5 after this sale. So you're saving $3 by buying the little bags. Like seriously, it makes so much more sense to get the smaller bags of candy and to get more of them than to go buy one of those enormous bags. There's no point to buy the enormous bags anymore because of coupons. So let's say you want Hershey's. Reese's, Hershey's, Almond Joy, that fun stuff. Their sale price is $3.50. They're regularly $4, I believe, but they're $3.50. And the other common misconception, I'm going to go into Walmart because I'm smart and I'm going to go pay Walmart's rollback or whatever. No. If you're here, I assume you figured out Walmart is not the place to get Halloween candy. So people might think Kroger's $3.50, Walmart's $2.88. I'm going to go to Walmart and pay $2.88 because I'm saving money. When you start paying attention to deals, this is $1.75. That's not anywhere close to Walmart's price. So this is $1.75 after that 5X digital. That one actually is unlimited use. So you can actually use it as many times as you want. It does specify that on the coupon. So you can do in multiple transactions, whatever you want to do. So $1.75, you got $1 off 2 manufacturer coupon from $9.29 Smart Source, making it $1.25. That's awesome. But it's about to get way cheaper with the Mars candy, which is on a sale price of $3 this week. There's $1.50, so it makes it $1.50 after that digital coupon. They take 50% off. Then there's a 2 off 3 manufacturers coupon for the $9.22 retail me not or the $10.6 retail me not. So you're getting these for $2.50 for 3 bags. That's crazy. But did you think we were done there? Because we got it even cheaper. And I gave you a little sneak peek of the Nestle candy, which you can get for $0.25 a bag. $0.25 a bag. That is insane. So they are on a sale price of $2.50 this week at Kroger's. After the digital, it's $1.25. There's a 2 off 3 paper coupon from $9.15 Smart Source you guys can utilize. This includes Butterfingers, Baby Ruth, Nerds. So that makes it $1.75 out of your physical cash pocket for 3. Then you're going to get $1 Catalina back to use on your next purchase at Kroger. You can get more candy. You can get whatever you want with that. It's like $1 store credit. So you're going to literally get that. It makes it 75 cents per 3 bags of candy or $0.25 each. That, I can't believe it. That's crazy. That's crazy for some candy. You're not going to want to pass that up. Even if you're not doing it, my gosh, you could probably give it to somebody. I'm sure there's some organizations and schools and churches, all of them do the trunk or treat thing. Or if you pass out candy in your neighborhood or whatever. Or if you just want to sit and have some candy for yourself. Like, there is no shame in that. That's what I do. Like, candy, it's awesome. So, yeah. And finally, the Reese's Pumpkins. This is a pretty good deal. They're $1 this week at Kroger, but they're actually on a buy one, get one sale, which is kind of weird. And then there's a 50% off digital coupon, which will just take off the one you're paying for. So it'd be 50 cents for 2, which is an awesome deal. Great deal. Love it. All right, so that's it. And I'm loving this video. I really had fun doing this. Let me know, do you guys like my new layouts? I switched from using Paint to PowerPoint. And I'm loving PowerPoint. Like, I don't know why I didn't come up with this sooner. It is so much easier. I can just type my breakdowns and the pictures and do nice, cool layouts and thumbnails and all that. I love PowerPoint right now. So, sorry, I'm like a couponer's high. I'm really excited about these deals. So let me know in the comments what's your favorite deal. Are you going to do any of this? And yeah, thank you so much for watching.